Hey guys, today I'm going to show you another computer prank that you can play on someone. Now with this prank, you're basically going to be creating a fake error message that's going to show up on your victim's computer. Alright, the first thing you're going to do is open Notepad. I'm going to put this in full screen. And now you're going to type x equals msgbox space opening bracket, opening quotation mark. Now you're going to type an error message. You can use whatever error message you want. I'm just going to type, your computer has been infected and you must shut down immediately. Now you can add a couple exclamation marks to make it more dramatic. So I'm going to add a couple. Once you type the error message, you're going to put a closing quotation mark. Now type space, comma, 0 plus 16, comma, space, opening quotation mark. Now you're going to type the title of your error message. I'm going to put system overload. Closing quotation mark, and a closing bracket. Once you have your error message typed out, you're going to save it. So you're going to go to File and Save As. Now type the title. I'm just going to call it Error. Before you click on Save, type .vbs on the end, and now save it. Once that's done, you can close out a notepad. Now all you have to do is open the error message while your victim is not at their computer. So you're going to go to the error message, right click on it, and select open. It should look something like this. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how you can take this prank to the next level. Now there's two different ways you can do this. You can set it up so that the error message opens when your victim clicks on one of their desktop icons. Or you can set it up so that your error message pops up as soon as your victim turns on or restarts their computer. Alright, first I'm going to show you guys how to set it up so that the error message will open from a desktop icon. The first thing you're going to do is open the folder containing the error message. Now right click on the error message, go to Send To, and select Desktop. Close the folder. Alright, so now the error message is on the desktop as a shortcut. Now if you want, you can copy the actual file to the desktop instead of just a shortcut. To do that, open the folder containing the error message. Right-click on it and select Copy. You can also right-click on it and select Cut, so then you only have one error message instead of two. Now close the folder, right-click on the desktop and select Paste. Now as you can see, this time the icon just says Error instead of Error Shortcut. Now what you're going to do is right-click on it and select Rename. Now you want to rename it to a program that your victim uses quite frequently. I'm just going to call it Internet Explorer. Now right-click on the error message again and go to Properties. Once the Properties window opens, click on Change Icon. Now you're going to scroll over and select an icon for your error message. Now since I called mine Internet Explorer, I'm going to use the Internet Explorer icon. Click OK. Click Apply, and OK again. So now my error message is called Internet Explorer, and it has the Internet Explorer icon. And if I open it, it's going to go right to the error message. If you didn't see a suitable icon for the program you chose, you can add another icon to the list. To do that, you're going to open your web browser, go to Google, and search for the icon you need. So say for example I chose Movie Maker, so I'm going to search for Movie Maker. Now press enter and click on Images. Now click on Icon. I'm going to select the first picture here. Right click on it and select Save Image As. Save it as the name of the program and click enter. Now open a new tab in your web browser. There's two ways you can do this. You can just click on this here, which opens a new tab, or you can just click Ctrl and T on your keyboard at the same time. Now you're going to type in convert, convertico.com and press enter. Now you're going to click on the upload icon on the website, so that's this icon here. Select the picture that you downloaded and click open. Now wait for that to convert. Once that's converted, you're going to click on the download arrow. Now close out of your web browser. Right click on the desktop icon, go to Properties, select Change Icon, click on Browse, select the picture that you just converted and click Open. Click OK, click Apply, and click OK again. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how to set up the computer so that your error message will show up as soon as your victim turns on or restarts their computer. Now there's two different ways you can do this. You can do this using either the desktop icon that you just created or using the original error message file. First I'm going to show you guys how to do that using the original error message file. The first thing I'm going to do is open the folder containing the original error message. Now right click on it and select Copy. You can also right click on it and select Cut instead of Copy, so then you'll only have one copy of the error message on the computer instead of two. Close the folder. Now you're going to open Run. There's two different ways you can do this. You can either go to your sidebar or your Start menu, depending on which version of Windows you have, and then just search for it. Or you can just simply press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. Now you're going to backspace what it says in Open. Right now mine says CMD, which is Command Prompt, so I'm going to backspace that. Now type shell, SHELL, startup, STARTUP. Now click OK. Right click somewhere in your startup folder and select Paste. Now close out of the folder. Now if you want to do it from the desktop icon instead of the original error file, all you have to do is right click on the desktop icon, go to Copy, open Run again. Now type shell, SHELL, startup, STARTUP. Now click OK. Once again, right click somewhere in the startup folder and select Paste. Now you can close out of the folder. Now once your victim restarts their computer, or as soon as they turn on their computer, that error message is automatically going to pop up. I'm just going to show you guys what happens when I restart. Alright, so I've restarted my computer. As you can see, as soon as I do that, the error message pops up. It says, System overload. Your computer has been infected and you must shut down immediately. And then it says OK. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video.